Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video we have a special treat for you. If you need a tool to manage your projects or maybe your YouTube collaborations, we've got you covered. That's right, no more doing this where I'm like, okay, which collaboration do I have here? We have right here the Starlink collabs. No more of that, doing it through the notes. We have this right here, amazing application called Trello that also works via mobile, and it's free. For the first 10 boards are free. Anything more, you're gonna have to pay more. But as you can see, for my purpose, I only need one board. The odds of me having two boards are 1 in a million. So if you're like me, you're only going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 boards, or minimum of 10. I don't, for whatever rocks your boat. This project management tool is just right for you because, as you can see here, these are the videos for the YouTube collaborations I have to make, right? And we're doing one right now, which is just mine, but we have the multimeter, right? The multimeter was sent to us. Once it's recorded, I can put that there. Or maybe if it's done, needs to be re-recorded, then I put it back here. The drag and drop interface is just amazing. As you can see, we've recorded, well, we're still recording this one, but these are my ideas. So I have 3 video ideas that hopefully I'll get to. I got to 1, but we have the other videos that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, which are paid collaborations that I have to do. And what's great about this, it's not just in the notes format or bullets. If I click it, I can be like, oh wow, this is the video description. Thank you so much. We've already arranged shipments, so they send the tracking number, this and that. I didn't include that in there, but that's okay. And we know it came from Vicky. Because sometimes I'm like, hey, welcome back guys. This video special thanks to Pam. And I'm like, wait. And then I go back to the video. I'm like, oh shit, it wasn't Pam. It was Vicky. So, if you forget, sometimes you get sent so many things and you confuse the names. Well, that solves this. And it all ends today with that. No more live with the notes or going back into your emails if you're like this. If you're like me, I go into my emails and I type in Starlink because I had so many Starlink collabs and that comes up. And as you can see here, we'll go here, Starlink, type in the inbox. And so many, like I forget what's what. Well, again, with Trello, you have here, and we have no more Starlink collabs because I managed to finish them all before I did a search for like a really nice project management tool that has an amazing interface that's all drag and drop. So as you can see here, oh, there was one Starlink in there, which is right here, the magnetic car mount. Their link that I'm supposed to put in the video. Hello, I watched. The only downside to this is funny. I watched your videos on Juxing, and I really like them because they are professional. If I show more, if you're interested in this product, we have other products available too. I look forward to your reply, and then it says here at the bottom, do you have a Starlink? I'm like, wait. If they follow my channel and love my videos so much, then why are you asking me if I have a Starlink if I have so many Starlink videos? So sometimes a lot of it's boilerplate that they send you, but yeah, I just throw that in there. But I'm able to keep track of it because in this particular case, there's no name, but I know it's from Nox Influencer. So I say, hey, welcome back, guys. This video, special thanks to Nox Influencer. And then, the rest just goes on. But what's great about that, as you can see, it's done. And then when you're done, you can archive it, do whatever. And if you want to add more, let's add another list. So we call it test list. We'll leave that there for now. And now there's a test list here, right? See, it's right there because it populates for what's next. And then I can add a card and then call it run. Whatever you want to call it. There's no rhyme or reason. But the reason why I'm doing that is because if you look really closely, there's a mobile version, and the mobile version is free too. So knowing that moving forward, if I push everything over here, we should see what would have or should have sunk from one machine to the next. I just got to put the code in, 7650, since I'm pushing my phone. And then there we go. And then there we go. So now if we go here to Trello, we should see our test list run. Kind of neat, huh? So you could be on the train and hanging out and doing whatever and be like, oh no, what do I need to do? It just doesn't give you the dark interface, but you can change all that because it's all customizable via mobile. Knowing that and moving forward, knowing that all the changes are real-time and instantaneous when it comes to doing it on your phone, on the train, on the bus, in the subway, wherever it is. And again, you can remove these. Let's say I don't want test run anymore. I go here and then archive this list. And once it's archived, we can't delete it until we go here. So we go to, where are we? Archived items, and then it's not there. Just click on list. See, and there it's there. Delete it. And it's gone forever. I'm leaving the Trello starter guide because I'm still going over it, but eventually I'll delete that. But whatever you don't want in there to delete. Let's say I want to use those free boards and I want to put maybe another board there for whatever reason you might want to. Just click here, create board, right here, and we'll call it my boards. Oh, press it and then call it. You have to put the cursor in. My boards. And then it creates a new workspace. See, and this is it. And you can change the background. Let's say I want to change it to photos or colors. You decide. You could also change the background to here too. Probably just leave it at the defaults. You can change it to something like that. Something like a Thelma and Louise in the desert, beautiful Mojave. And let's say, oh no, I don't want this, and I want to stick to the one board. That's okay. You won't get charged for 2, but anything after 10, they will. You go here. Okay, we're going to delete it. Close board, close it. And when you close it, it's gone because when I go to switch boards, see, they're not there anymore. And I just have here my one board. So I go to switch boards again. So in order to delete it, you have to go into the back end and click on these 3 little dots and then click on boards and view close boards. And as you can see, now I can delete it. They might change that down the road and make it more streamlined instead of having to go on an Easter egg hunt. But at the end of the day, for me, I just need one board. I might change the color, do whatever. You can do this. Your inbox is always here, and your collaboration, your main box, which is your start box, is always going to be there. And then you can move, you can move stuff around. Again, you can change these right here and change the colors, to purple or whatever. For now, I like the black theme. Works well for what I have going on, but most of all, I could always be on the go and I can share with the people I'm collaborating with and be like, look, you're next in line. And then be like, well, kind of. And then after we share that, we can just move around. But the next video I do have to do is, I didn't even put it in there. Soldering video, headphones, multimeter, metal. Oh, is this one right here? See, I didn't even include it, but now I will. Now I just got to figure out where this came from and just add that information in there. And then now I know I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos to record. And then not alone make shorts for, but we use Opus Clip AI for that. So it's all automated to some extent. You can subscribe to us weekly. Every week we have how to make YouTube shorts because it's not as streamlined as you think. So if you want to know how to make shorts to turn your long form content into shorts, because that's where the views are nowadays. So, you might spend all your time making a big video like this, but it's only good for the people who ask for it. And I don't know what they're doing it on the back end for marketing and stuff. So that's why it is what it is on that, but I get more views on the shorts. But knowing that, moving forward, I do have to add one more in there for those LEDs that was sent to the channel. I don't know why it's not there, but it will be after today. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Kind of neat, huh? Gotta love it. Hope that this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.